Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
We got some nice pillars. And I think we might even be able to go inside. I don't know. Probably has no cameras, so we'll see. Some marketplaces here. Got some rain as well. Get back out of the rain. And now we're just going to navigate through. St. Dominic Square. The St. Dominic Square is this whole space right over here with St. Dominic's Church as a highlight. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is the lights are it's kind of a cloudy day. There's a lot of kind of cool stuff all the way around here. So I'm just going to capture the peripheral part, try to get over by those nice doors over there, and just try to capture the whole feeling of this space. So stay tuned, and then this is going to be the focus. This is Domingos. So stay tuned. Oh yeah. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay. So I was actually here not too long ago in the evening. The lights were just coming down, and I was just kind of thinking how this is actually one of the most photogenic spaces. When the lights go down especially. And right now you can see the lighting is kind of going down a little bit. And it's because it's a little bit of a rainy day. So what I'm going to try to do is capture the lighting, I hope, along with the church. And try to capture some good angles of it as well. Including when you get near it, there's some nice pillars right there. So I am going to try to go around like this. We got some nice pillars. And I think we might even be able to go inside. I don't know. Probably has no cameras, so we'll see if we can or can't. I don't know. Okay. So we're gonna flip around the camera real quick. And actually, if we were to go inside slightly, let me just try to capture a little bit. There's Domingos straight up that way. Just want to show off. St. Dominic's Church, 1587 by the Dominicans. That's Largo, Domingos. Got a little bit of rain. That's St. Dominic's Street. And I think with the rain, we're gonna try to navigate out a little bit. So that's Sonata Square direction over there. It's our Domingos. And I think with that rain, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over to the rain guard. So we'll say bye, Domingos. And then we are going to walk this way. We're gonna just walk down the corridor, go out of St. Dominic's. Yeah, so anyways, that's actually, I captured that recently, so I'm gonna, in the end, I'm gonna put a attachment at the end, the last video when you go, if you watch it all the way through. And then you can add the other time when I filmed it recently where it was probably the most perfect lighting that I could possibly get. And today we're basically just leaving St. Dominic Square, and I'm just gonna walk down. It's raining, so I'm gonna follow this all the way down, and we're gonna go all the way down to San Malo, and just include that, the walk. Okay. And it goes all the way down to San Malo, which is Avenida Almeida Ribera. Some marketplaces here. Got some rain as well. Get back out of the rain. And now we're just going to navigate through. But I think everybody's kind of accumulating because of the rain. Here's what we could see right there is San Malo, Sonata Square. So instead we're going to come out to the end here. And this would go all the way down to 116th, and it's raining a little bit, so we have a lot of people that are kind of hanging around right in this spot. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through that, then come out to Sonata Square again. We're just going to come out to here. And we got our rain, and this goes all the way down to St. Dominic Street, and this is Sonata Square. In St. Dominic's, you can see it all the way to the end. And then in this space is the post office, and this is Sonata Square. And we're going to be ending our video and then this will be the ending space. Catching the rain quite a bit here. So that was St. Dominic's, and that was Sonata Square by default. and the post office, just to kind of give you the full context of the whole space. And on that note, we will end this particular video. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.